Hey Visioneers, want to earn money from home without a degree or startup costs? In today's video, I'll show you how to make money on Fiverr, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. What is Fiverr and how it works? Fiverr is a global freelance marketplace where people offer services starting from just $5. Everything from design, writing, AI editing, voiceover, coding, and more. You create a gig, set your price, and start getting clients from all over the world. Before creating a gig, choose what you're good at or can learn quickly. Some hot niches in 2025 include checkmark AI video editing, checkmark Canva design, checkmark voiceovers with AI tools, checkmark ChatGPT writing and content, checkmark YouTube script writing and thumbnail creation. Go to fiverr.com and sign up. Choose a professional username and profile picture. Write a short but powerful bio explaining what you offer and why people should hire you. This is where the magic happens. A Fiverr gig includes a catchy title, e.g., I will create an AI-generated talking avatar video, 3 pricing packages, a detailed gig description using keywords, tags and searchable categories, portfolio samples or demo videos. Now that your gig is live, your next big goal is visibility. And that's where Fiverr SEO comes in. Fiverr works like a search engine. When clients type in things like AI video editor or voiceover artist, you want your gig to appear in the top results. Here's how to do that. Use targeted keywords. Include keywords like YouTube scriptwriter, Canva thumbnail designer, or AI-generated avatar videos in your gig title, description, and tags. Example, instead of writing, I will help you with videos, write, I will create high-quality AI avatar videos for YouTube and Instagram. Fill all 5 tags. Fiverr allows 5 tags. Use all of them strategically. Think like your ideal buyer. What would they type to find your service? Add FAQs. Fiverr lets you add frequently asked questions. These aren't just helpful, they also add keyword-rich content to boost your SEO. Stay online and be responsive. Fiverr boosts gigs from sellers who reply quickly and stay active, so install the Fiverr app and turn on notifications. Promote your gig on Facebook groups, Reddit threads, and even Pinterest boards relevant to your service. External traffic can help boost your gig ranking. This step is what separates one-time earners from long-term Fiverr pros. Once a client places an order, always deliver on time. Fiverr rewards punctuality with better rankings. Ask clarifying questions up front. If you're unclear about the brief, message your client immediately. Use AI tools like Grammarly, Canva, ChatGPT, or CapCut to enhance your workflow and quality. For example, if you're creating a YouTube thumbnail gig, you can design it in Canva Pro, generate script titles with ChatGPT, and deliver everything neatly with a downloadable link. Always aim to over-deliver. If they ordered one thumbnail, maybe include a bonus concept or color variant. That simple gesture can lead to glowing 5-star reviews and more orders. Your reputation is your currency on Fiverr. Once you've completed a few gigs and received 5-star ratings, it's time to grow. Here's how to scale up your Fiverr business. Add more gigs. Fiverr allows up to 7 gigs for new sellers. Take advantage of all of them. Offer variations of your main skill, e.g., YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, TikTok covers. Bundle services. Create tiered packages, basic, standard, premium. Example, basic could be 1 thumbnail, standard includes 3, and premium adds custom animation or AI visuals. Increase your rates. Once you have solid reviews and repeat clients, gradually raise your prices. Clients are often happy to pay more for proven quality and reliability. Respond quickly. Fiverr favors sellers with a quick response time. Even a friendly, thanks for reaching out, I'll respond shortly, helps your stats. Reinvest in yourself. Upgrade tools like Canva Pro, Grammarly Premium, or invest in Fiverr's own courses to improve your skills. Remember, Fiverr's success doesn't come overnight, but with consistency, professionalism, and a willingness to learn, it can turn into a full-time income. And that's how you can start making money on Fiverr in 2025. Even with no prior experience, try Fiverr today using the link below. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe to Augusta Vision for more freelancing and AI-powered income ideas.